What would you like to see on the Defender side of things? What would be something that you would see as valuable?
Yeah. I mean, I think what you're doing here with just this podcast is fabulous, and I think a lot of folks in the security world are going to really benefit from hearing from different perspectives and different people in different industries that are still doing a common thing with security. And I think the more that you can have that conversation, like I mentioned, I would meet with you and other key vendors over the years face to face, but this almost takes you're basically literally taking a microphone and you're putting it out there, and to where so many more people who you don't even know are going to watch this and access it, and that will hopefully maybe they'll learn something, maybe they'll reach out to either you, me, or whoever else you're interviewing, and it just kind of keeps those lines of communications and those relationships going, and I think that's really keep doing what you're doing, because I think you're on the right track.